Checking up on these ladies to know how they are faring, because I gave them the warm medicine this morning. Last week they were not feeling fine. They weren't active as at last week. Though I gave them some antibiotics as of that last week. So after the antibiotics, I have to deworm them because the last time I dewormed them was 2 months ago. So after treating them with the antibiotics, I decided to deworm them. So today is the day one of the deworming. I'll be deworming them for 3 days. Yes, 3 good days. So they have taken their first dose for today. So I'm checking up on them to know how they are faring. If their water is still intact, yes, there's still water in there. Most of them are still drinking water. And in their feeder, there's still much food for them, though they are not eating them. It's just some of them that are still eating. They don't eat at once, they eat in bits. They eat in bits. When they eat little, they rest, they relax, they drink water, and they will eat again later. We had 50 of them, 50, yes, 51 of them in numbers, but we are left with 45. We are left with 46. Sorry, we've lost 5 of them, and we lost one yesterday night. We noticed that one that it was not feeling fine, but we took care of her. But unfortunately, she couldn't make it. It wasn't her fault. So we lost her. So trying to check inside their laying box if any of them have laid. Though 30 of them have laid this morning. And amongst in all the 46 we have now, all of them have not started laying properly. This is their sixth week since they started dropping eggs. So some of them have not started laying. So and this morning we've picked about 30 eggs. I know before the day runs out, we should be having more of the egg, between 2 to 5 eggs before the day runs out. So just checking up on them to know if they're okay, if they're active. Yes, they're getting active now, unlike last week, because even while they were not active at that last week, most of them dropped in production. They were not producing as usual, so they dropped in production. So luckily today they just picked up, because yesterday they laid less, but today they have picked up, unlike yesterday and the previous week. So all thanks to God that they are beginning to recover. So by the end of the 2 days deworming, I know they should be fine. And on the 12th of this month, we'll be giving them their lasota, because we give them lasota once every month at the exact dates given to them at the previous month. So that's how we'll give them the lasota. So I just say, let me come and check on them, how they're faring. Sure, they're doing very good. Look at most of them perching on their. All right, guys.